to the love of my life, Riza. And today, the day I have longed for has finally come. I have found my other half, a beautiful soul, worthy of my everything.
Now you are entering a new chapter of your life. One that is not temporary, but a permanent commitment, a lifetime vow. So the wedding celebration lasts only for today, but the sacrament of marriage you are about to receive will last for a lifetime. Riza, did you come here today of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Ian, did you come here today of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
By now I'd be gone, but you
I have found my true love in you, and I promise to hold and protect it with all that I am.
Babe, there are a million things I could say, but the heart of it all is this: I choose you. I choose you today, tomorrow, and for every day after that.
I promise to love you unconditionally. I will choose you every single day for the rest of my life.
Fortune lies beyond the stars, those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so high to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low.
You're the first person I want to see when I wake up, and the last person I want to see before I go to sleep.
I love you dahil lagi kang nandyan para sa akin. Especially ngayon dahil alam mo naman na I promise to love you not just on the good days but even more on the hard days.
What treasure waits within your sky? The gift of freedom.
Pagpasok mo sa bagong buhay ni asawa, tingnan mo lang yung pinagtamaan namin ni Papa. Sundin mo yung mga binilin sa'yo ni Papa mo. Alam ko naman, alam mo yun eh. Diba? Ikaw yung sa pinaka-best gift sa akin ni Papa. Love you.
Lahat naman kami, love you, ma.
Your hand when the road gets rough, like what you did with mine, and to celebrate with you when we reach the top.
Together, we will build a perfect family unlike any other. I will stand by you always, overcoming whatever challenges may come our way. Hello babe, sana magustuhan mo tong gift ko. Pang matchy-matchy natin ito. I love you.
Ian and Riza, your marriage is not just about the two of you. There is a third party involved here. And hopefully, the only third party who will be part of your love story. That is no other than the person of God.
Reaching out, I surrender. Sweep me up in your loving
love you na kahit na lagi kang natatawa kapag naiinis na ako. I promise to be your partner in crime and your forever home. I love you, my husband.
Today, I give you my life, my heart, and my forever. My life is yours to hold, and my dreams will always revolve around you. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita, Risa.
Touch the sky, women need